Franklin Tuesday. Yo.
Ceefashion Academy for male and female. Plenty style for different garments. Anywhere you dey, no be wahala. Make you call our number. We dey teach people how to be a fashion designer. Ankara bag we dey do, Ankara shoes we dey do, bangles and many fashion accessories. Skirt and blouse, 80 bucks. Agbada o bomber jacket, suit and blazer, bikini wedding gown. Baba and mama, come and see. Daddy, mommy, make your choice. Children, delay your own day, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, Ceefashion Academy, Ceefashion, plenty style. Ceefashion, we dey at your service. Ceefashion, yeah. Ceefashion Academy, Ceefashion, plenty style. Ceefashion, we dey at your service. Ceefashion, yeah. The other day, see fine people for party. I ask them, say, nah, please, which tell us so this fine going for you? They tell me, say, nah, Ceefashion, Ceefashion, nah, they are on go. Baba and mama, come and see. Daddy, mommy, make your choice. Children, delay your own day, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, Ceefashion Academy, Ceefashion, plenty style. Ceefashion, we dey at your service. Ceefashion, yeah. Ceefashion Academy, Ceefashion, plenty style. Ceefashion, we dey at your service. Ceefashion, yeah.
For more information, visit our head office at number 11 ADAGEORGE Road, beside Market Square Mall, off location Junction, Port Harcourt, or call 070-3044-5028, or visit our website on www.ceefashionacademy.com.ng. Ceefashion, world classic fashion house. Enjoy our services at affordable price.
Ceefashion.